Good evening, Sachin sir.
Hi sir, good evening.
Today we had a wonderful AaGaaz season 2.
Yes.
Really appreciate as a Dombivli.
Biggest event of the Dombivli. I'll challenge Dombivli, each and everyone. Such a show is never happened in Dombivli.
I have never seen such a event in Dombivli. Passion and Panchatattva together.
This is exactly what they have to implement each and every things. Like if you take Panchatattva, Aqua, then Royal theme, denim theme. So these all themes they have implemented each and everything in perfectly in their attire, illustration, designing, stitching, even their presentation on the ramp, and even their walk, the choreography they have done. It's a fabulous they have done.
Sir, it's a wonderful stage and it's a wonderful ramp. Everybody has supported well. Your team has worked very hard here, and they have proven that they can deliver a wonderful show to the Dombivlikar.
Yes,
First of all, congratulations on that note. I mean, one special thing you want to say to all Dombivlikars and to all of us.
All Dombivlikar, the special thing is the student. What the motivation they give.
Yes, their confidence,
their
creativity,
their illustration, their stitches, performance on the ramp, and every presented audience when appreciate that thing. That is the biggest motivation for them to perform in the future and build their future in the life.
Yes, and how many students? I mean, this Floret education or
Floret
fashion?
have currently 5 branches in Dombivli, Kankoli, Raunaque, Pune, Baramati, and more than 1,000 students are learning in all branches actually. The specialty they are getting internship after second year and placement after the third year. That is the major, you can say as a USP, which are for us.
And final question, sir.
Yeah.
Today I have seen one drama. That drama says about a girl child.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, that drama says about a girl child. What is the importance of having girl child in a fashion show like this? What a wonderful message it was.
The wonderful message means what I think is there is no difference between you have a girl or your boy.
Exactly, sir.
Because
And that's a very good message AaGaaz, giving to the society.
Means it is we are not performing only fashion show here. We have the different dramas and activities through which we try to deliver the message to the audiences and every Dombivlikars and even Maharashtrian India. We can
Yeah. It's a country level we can say also.
Yes. So that is the most important message that we want to deliver.
Really appreciate and really enjoyed each and every moment of this AaGaaz season 2.
फैशन का रंग लाए नई सौगात, रैंप पे उतरे सबके स्वैग की बारात। आगाज आगाज आगाज, देखो ये शो खास, जिंदगी की कैटवॉक में स्टाइल का एहसास, फैशन की लहर में बहने दो सांस, फ्लोरेट्स का कमाल दे रहा नया प्रकाश। धन्यवाद।
और एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए अपनी कला को मंच पे दर्शाना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। सो एज एन ऑडियंस ये हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम उन्हें अप्रिशिएट करें। तो प्लीज सभी लोग के लिए जोर से ताली हो जाए पहले तो।
So we have taken 8 queens and we have turned it into this collection as you saw just now. So that is the concept.
And queen. फीमेल मॉडल गजरे
जो आपने देखा everything because of this team. So थैंक यू।